DD Mabuza must be starting to take exercises and start jogging in the morning, because I also saw it looks like the tummy is growing so that the suit can sit properly. He must start warming up. That position is available. The man is going. I can tell you now, the man is going. And no court or any board judge will defend him. The president, even now on Mukwebane, must go. Must go to Parliament to answer the questions on CR17. Must go and answer questions on suspension of Mukwebane. He says he will never go. This is a man who were told when he got elected that the most transparent man, the most accountable man, Ramaphosa did everything under the sun to avoid accountability. And you can't love a person to that extent. You ought to reach a point where you say, this we cannot tolerate. And that is that point. We will announce the date of shutdown once sufficient consultation has been made. And that shutdown is not going to be Johannesburg, Pretoria. It's going to be everywhere in Matatiele, in Musina. Once a call is made, no taxi, no truck will move. No single shop will be opened. No offices will be opened. All offices of ESCOM will be occupied to demand the resignation of the CEO, the resignation of the board, and to reinstall, to put in people who have got capacity to run that institution. We don't believe that ESCOM has reached the stage of hopelessness. There are a lot of skilled and qualified people that can be recalled to come and save the day. But for factional reasons, they will never call them, even if we stay in darkness. Because factions don't agree that the skill must be brought back. We will rather stay in darkness because of factional fights. Thank you.